Tired of worrying about your trailer's lighting system every time you hitch up? Imagine a trailer light converter that not only simplifies your wiring but also shields your vehicle from electrical overloads and moisture damage. That's exactly what this fully sealed trailer light converter delivers: reliable, durable, and ready to handle the demands of modern towing setups. What sets this converter apart is its epoxy-filled, potted enclosure that completely seals off the electrical components. This means no more stress about moisture or vibrations wearing down your wiring. It's built to last, extending the life of your trailer's lighting system even in rough conditions. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Whether your vehicle uses a 2-wire, 3-wire, PWM ST, or PWM STT system, this converter adapts seamlessly, converting them all into a standard 2-wire trailer wiring setup. It even works with low-voltage systems down to 7 volts, making it a perfect fit for newer vehicles with LED lights. On top of that, the converter comes equipped with a smart microcontroller that senses current flow and reacts instantly to overloads. It offers enhanced protection against short circuits and thermal issues, giving you peace of mind every time you tow. The output is a standard 4-way flat socket, supporting tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals with a 3.0 amps signal circuit and a 6.0 amps taillight circuit, enough power to keep your trailer's lights bright and reliable. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The unit includes snap locks to secure wire connections, and it doesn't require heavy-duty flashers, though a CURT converter wiring kit, number 55152, is recommended for the best setup. One user shared how they installed this on their 2018 Audi SQ5 and praised its flawless performance, especially with combined or separate turn, brake signals and PWM signals common in LED-equipped vehicles. If you're looking to protect your vehicle's lighting system while ensuring smooth, dependable trailer lighting, this converter is worth a look. It keeps your car's wiring safe from overload and moisture, adapts to various wiring types, and supports modern low-voltage LED setups without complication. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your towing experience with a product designed for durability and ease.